Wild River.
Life is too short to be drinking shitty beer.
I've got a Fuller's beer here today, and it's the Wild River Pale Ale, double hopped pale ale. Now, before we begin, I was researching this just before I did this review. I went onto the Fuller's website, and I really struggled to find their beers. You go on their website, and they're advertising everything but the beers. It's like the hotels, the pubs, their blog, and for any beer enthusiast, it's, you really have to dig deep. Most websites have, most craft brewers have our beers. Click on that, bang, you're in. You can see what they've got. You have to dig deep to find what Fuller's are doing now. Come on, Fuller's, for fuck's sake, you are a brewery. First and foremost, just advertise your beers. Christ's sake. I don't know what's going on there. I think that's that takeover from Asahi. It was never like that before. Anyway, rant over. Let's have a look at this. This is, from what I've been told on the website, which I had to really dig to find out. It's inspired by the American craft beer revolution. It's got 4 hops in it: Chinook, Willamette, Liberty, and for the life of me I can't remember. I'm going to have to put the beans on. But it's called double hopped pale ale, and it's got 4 hops in it: Liberty, Willamette, Cascade, that was the other one, and Chinook. A wonderful zesty beer bursting with citrus flavour and satisfying bitter finish. Right, let's just open this up and get it in the glass. Yeah, I'm really disappointed with Fuller's. I don't know what is going on with them, but it's not about the beer anymore with them. There's the cap. At least they've kept that original. This is quite a new one. I don't remember this one from a few years ago. I don't know when they introduced this, but yeah, it's a new one. There's the label anyway, the front of the bottle. There is the back. Got a reasonably good description on it. What are we getting out there? Not a great deal. Bit of lemony, zesty type. I'm not getting much out of the bottle. I'm not even going to try. Let's get it in a glass, see what's going on. Got a London Pride glass here, so maybe that will improve the flavour. As I say, it's pale ale, inspired by the American craft beer revolution, so it's going to be a hoppy pale ale. I'm not getting much at all out of that. Not getting much at all. There it is in the glass. It's very, very pale. It almost looks like a lager. As I say, it's in a 500ml bottle. It is, was it 4.5%? Alarm bells are ringing. I'm struggling to get much out of that at all. Let's get it down the hatch. Please let me be proved wrong. And it's not too bad. Very biscuity, malty flavour on the back end of it. It's not too bad. You can taste them hops, but there's a big biscuit malt finish on that, which is quite nice actually. But it's hard to get the aromas from that. They're very, very weak aromas. Very, very weak aromas on that. It's pretty average, to be fair, all things considered. I don't think there's anything bad about this particularly, but it doesn't stand out, and I'm left wondering why they've actually done this. It's a pretty malty, hoppy, reasonably hoppy, balanced pale ale. Doesn't stand out. Not really doing much for me at all, to be honest. Having said that, it's not bad. There's nothing bad about it. It just doesn't, leap out at me and scream, "I'm a great beer." And it's, I wouldn't say it's typical of the way that Fuller's are going, because they're not. Fuller's are a great brewery, and they do some great beers. They do a fantastic IPA, a proper British style IPA. The Bengal Lancer stuff is brilliant. London Pride, it seems to be, well, it is the flagship ale, and that's a good ale by anyone's standards. But I don't know what's going on with this. It's one of them ones that it just sits there amongst all the other pale ales and doesn't stand out at all, which from a brewer like Fuller's you'd expect a bit more. I think so. But what would I give it? It's not bad. It sounds like I'm being harsh, but I've got high expectations from Fuller's, so that's probably why I'm sounding harsh. But it's not bad. It is not a bad beer. I'd give it a 7 out of 10. It's got a nice hoppy sort of feel to it, mouth feel to it. Very malty back end, biscuit malt back end. It's good. It's just a good ale. Doesn't really stand out, but doesn't ring alarm bells. The aromas are quite sort of subdued, but that's about it. But yeah, not too bad. 7 out of 10. Would I recommend it? Yeah. I wouldn't say don't drink it, but yeah, not too bad. And remember, beer is working class champagne.